At the state capitol, Medicaid expansion is one of the biggest topics this legislative session, with a push coming from both sides of the aisle.
12 News' Marie Menefield reports from the state capitol, where advocates are calling for expansion.
Advocates are urging lawmakers to expand Medicaid in the Magnolia State in 2025. They say many working-class Mississippians fall into the coverage gap where they are not able to afford health insurance, having to choose between basic life necessities or health coverage.
Interested in access to care. So across our nation, and especially in states that have not expanded Medicaid for all of their citizens, we're really trying to get access to care for everybody. And in Mississippi, there's still lots of people, hardworking people, who don't have access to health insurance, and we want to be sure that they get that.
Mississippi is one of 10 states who have not expanded Medicaid, and advocates are asking lawmakers to close the 138% of the federal poverty level coverage gap in the state.
In order to be ready to take care of those type of patients takes a lot of resources, and those resources cost money. So we were hoping to make sure that the legislature was aware that, those resources are necessary and would be a good target for funding in the future.
Medical professionals share that the expansion of Medicaid is an investment because it will help stabilize rural hospitals and reduce preventative illness or deaths from delayed care.
Correct. No, definitely. It's extremely important that we get support from the lawmakers so we can actually decrease that preventable death that happens a lot. Usually preventable death from hemorrhage occurs in 40% of patients after trauma. And it is in our hands to basically help advocate and try to push that mortality down. And we can only do that with support from the government.
According to the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society, around 230,000 Mississippians could have access to affordable health insurance if state legislatures close the coverage gap. Reporting from the Capitol, Marie Menefield, 12 News.